Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change door weather stripping. First, identify the type of weather stripping currently on your door, whether it's foam, vinyl, or rigid. Next, gather your essential tools, a utility knife, a screwdriver, and of course, your new weather stripping. Before you begin, thoroughly clean the door frame to ensure a smooth, debris-free surface for optimal adhesion and a perfect seal. This preparation is key for a successful replacement. Now, let's remove the old weather stripping. If it's rigid, carefully pry it off using a flathead screwdriver. For compression or foam types, simply cut and pull them out from the door frame. It's crucial to ensure all old adhesive residue is completely removed. A clean surface is vital for the new stripping to adhere properly, preventing any future drafts and ensuring a long-lasting seal. With the old stripping gone, it's time for the new installation. Measure and cut your new weather stripping precisely to fit each of the three sides of your door frame. If it's adhesive-backed, press it firmly into place, starting from the top. For rigid types, secure it with screws, making sure it creates a snug, consistent fit against the door. Take your time for a perfect seal. Finally, let's test your new installation. Close the door and carefully check for any visible gaps or drafts around the entire seal. Adjust the weather stripping as needed to achieve a tight, consistent fit. A great trick is the dollar bill test. If a dollar bill slides easily through the seal, you need to adjust it further. This ensures maximum energy efficiency and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.